start your own beauty business or side hustle, but you're worried about the money investment, here are some of the best advice to follow that I wish I would have known when I started. Number one, it's affordable to start. In permanent makeup, starting usually requires a 3 to 5 day training, and that includes all the supplies you need to start taking clients right away. The investment does not have to be made all at once, and it does not have to be as large as you may think. You can also reinvest the money you start making for continued education. Number two, keeping overhead costs down is realistic if you learn how to be smart about it. Meaning, finding a mentor that has literally done the same thing you want to achieve and studying how they made it work. Number three, you can start making money right away. You set your own schedule from the beginning, and this allows flexibility. I actually worked part-time while starting my beauty business, and for me, it felt like less of a risk this way, and it gave me the comfort and ability to actually enjoy the process. So with that said, please do not wait any longer to find a career that aligns with your passions. If you want to learn more, check out the caption below and see how lip blush training could be a great fit for you.